Okay, guys, James living in paradise. I'm going to explain. I got some notes written down here. Delta, alpha, beta, gamma. The four brain frequencies that we as human beings have to learn how to mobilize and utilize every day. Now, the lowest brain frequency, guys, is called delta. That's what 90% of you that are listening to this video right now are in. Your brain frequency is at the lowest. It's like you're a rat, you're a mouse, you're just working at your job every day, you're going home, you're watching TV, Netflix, you're drinking alcohol, you're getting fucked up on the weekends because you are at the lowest brain frequency. You need to get to the next brain frequency, which is called alpha. Have you ever heard of an alpha male or an alpha female? Those people control other people, or they think they're in control. They have a lot of confidence, they have a lot of charisma, and they are very social, but they want to control every situation around them. They cannot have somebody else in their life control anything they do. They're called an alpha. Now, the next brain frequency above that is called beta. Beta people are such a high brain frequency that they control the alphas. The alphas work for them. The betas pay them money to help them make more money because they're that smart. They're operating at a beta high frequency, which is sometimes considered to be alien-like. Now that brings me to the next highest one, which is called the gamma brain frequency. If there are aliens out in space, they are the smartest beings out there. Why? Because they're not living on the planet Earth. Guys, don't you think if there are aliens, if there are other supreme beings out there, if they wanted to live here, they would be here. They come on their spaceships and they look down on us and we look like a bunch of ants. We are a bunch of ants to them because they're superior to us because they're at the highest brain frequency called gamma. You can tap in to these higher brain frequencies, guys, with the proper training and coaching, meditation, okay? And you can manifest your brain frequency. It doesn't happen overnight, doesn't happen in a week. I've got about a 6-week program where I can show you how to go from delta to alpha to beta to gamma and change your whole life, guys. Everything when you are operating at a higher brain frequency. Contact me here or anywhere around this video, guys. You know where to go. Get me on a live call. I'll spend some time with you. It's complimentary. It's no charge. I will show you step by step how to get your brain at a higher frequency. You will absolutely not believe exactly what's going to happen to you, and it happens really fast, guys. You're going to change your life, you're going to change your income, you're going to change your money, you're going to change your life, your business, your relationships, everything. You will not wake up in the morning and ever feel tired again, and you will never go to sleep until you are about to pass out. And even while you're sleeping, you are going to be functioning at a higher beta or gamma brain frequency. Love to help you. Contact me right now.